Nations, and this is our 50 subscriber special. This is going to be a two-parter, and it's going to be BB on FIFA. So we're going to pick the names, which are in Ben's pocket.
Yeah. And this is the
Don't shoot anyone.
gun.
It's balls! Balls! That nearly hit me.
So the names, the 4 names are in my pocket. Tom, you pick one.
Right, I'm picking the names right now.
Right, pick one. Just pick one.
Okay.
Is that who
Right.
is against then?
That's the that's the first.
Okay.
That's the first person.
First name is Ben.
Right. Now, Alex, you pick out my pocket.
Ben's the best at FIFA, by the way.
Well, I think I'm pretty good.
Only pick one.
Pick me, don't pick me, don't pick me.
I can't. I don't know if this is one.
Just pick it.
Is this
Don't
one?
pick me, don't pick me.
Change it. Turn it around.
No!
Yes, I got Billy.
So, it's me and Tom on the FIFA 15 demo against me.
That made no sense.
Anyway,
So, we'll see you when we get to the gameplay.
Yes.
So, we're back. And with my team, I've swapped this guy off him, and then swapped David Luiz up there because I need the 4 at the back.
I've put Jovetic on and Navas. That's really all I've done.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
That's Jesus. So you still put more teams than Ben? No, I don't.
Is it all out attack?
Yeah.
No. Calm it down.
Oh, I feel like pooing.
Oh man.
Tell you now.
What was that laugh?
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Just
Just saying,
The way you did that ball was so
Yeah,
weird.
yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Only if it was easy.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Only if it was
oh no!
savage.
You should have ran.
No, he wouldn't have done it. He wouldn't have.
Oh, that's offside, surely.
No.
Yeah.
If this is just 0-0,
We're both gonna get shot.
yeah.
Ooh,
I think, should we say we'll do penalties? Whoever wins, whoever loses the penalties gets the
Depends
next
what
shot.
the circumstances are like.
Oh, that's beautiful.
No, it's not.
Oh, that is. Oh, oh if it was anyone else but Silver, who'd have scored.
Yeah, why is Thiago Silva up there?
Because it's all
Because it's all out attack.
Oh yeah.
I'm actually nervous just watching it.
I'm actually.
It's because you're nervous about getting shot later.
Yeah, I know, but still.
I just want to watch Alex and Billy's match.
Yeah.
I think that'll be a good
I'm
match.
gonna.
I think I'm gonna thrash him, you know.
I think we're both gonna get Boca Juniors.
Yeah, guys, and also this is gonna be a 2-part video. Alex
So-
and Billy's, and
This one will be uploaded first, and then like tomorrow or something.
yeah, it'll be up late.
Depends when you watch this.
Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, guys, sorry for the lack of videos lately. It's just we've been back to school
Yeah.
and stuff. So.
We're gonna try and do a video once a week, or as many as we can a week.
I went
But as
to
long as we get
Movie
one
Club.
video out a week, it's gonna be that's.
And guys, we forgot the most important thing.
Banter.
That was not the most important thing.
I like how Billy said banter as he hit it.
The most important thing is, thanks for 50 subscribers!
56.
56.
Yeah, all we need now is 100, and after 100, we will do a big video. When we mean big, like big challenges or anything like that. So, come on, we
Like
can get
the turd challenge.
what?
Oh, that was a chance.
This
Oh.
tensest game of FIFA I've ever played.
I don't know.
No, he's doing the corner glitch. He's doing the corner glitch. No, the body's already.
No, finesse.
You hit it wrong, you hit it wrong.
Oh, I've got a tip. Finesse shots OP.
Yeah, they are.
Especially Joel.
They just
Yeah, especially Joanne.
edit.
Joel.
Yes. Oh my god. No, 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 no.
Oh my gosh.
No, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Keep it no. Like you
Finish it, Ben!
Oh, what? Oh my God. This is so OP, guys. Like, really. Oh, days. Oh,
This is so exciting!
Finesse it, Ben.
Oh, that was a chance! That was a chance!
That's
Oh,
offside. Oh no, it's not. My player was there.
Finesse
this is
it.
really me.
Come on.
Abuse it, guys.
Billy, remember that amazing goal with Pico?
I bet people are going to beat your bloody girls.
Oh my gosh.
You probably are, if I'm honest.
and
And also, yes. And also,
End of the game, guys.
Lose with
Wait. extra time. Oh no.
Penalties.
Oh. And also, there's a word to say that we do have an Instagram. So if you do want to follow us,
It's mixed
at,
formation.
at mixed formations.
right, the loser of this gets shot. Right?
No, lose with this gets shot twice.
What?
They get
Oh,
shot
how are we
once.
doing that?
No.
I'm not getting shot twice, mate, if I don't need to. Yeah, he's going this way, isn't he?
Nope.
Woo! Alex knows how I take penalties though, so I need to win the
You
match.
know what? I take my penalties.
Not really.
Remember?
Oh yeah, I do actually. I like right corner every time.
No.
Trick shots in.
Ibra.
Ibra. Oh, if you miss
It's gonna go right.
The nerves! The nerves!
Oh, yeah, my nose.
Oh, I thought I was to win it.
Oh my gosh, Kafati.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
I think if he misses this one. Oh,
No.
he needs to score!
Who's it?
Oh,
Tweedy.
Tweedy! Oh! Thomas, now Tom needs to score.
Thomas, my tactic. My tactic.
Oh!
Right. It's still good. Come on. I can do this. I can still do this. Yes!
Oh,
Tom needs to
I
score.
thought I won there. I thought I won
Tom
there.
needs to
My
score.
tactic.
Oh.
Yo, stop staring at me, controller!
It's still going.
See, you used my tactic.
Oh, this is. I can't believe it.
Look at
My mind is blown.
Mind blown.
My face went.
Oh,
How?
how did they
How?
do penalties?
What you on about? Keepers OP, mate. They can't say penalties.
No, that's too hard. That's too hard. No, maybe not.
There's not hardly anything on it.
Oh, sorry guys, this may be a bit of a long video, but if you stay with us, we will get to the action in a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
That's too hard. That's too hard. That's too hard. Maybe not.
What's wrong with you?
That's too hard. That's too hard. What was that?
Oh my god.
Tell you what.
Ooh, it's the keeper. They ran out of players.
Yeah, no, you have to send it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a letter.
Ben wins this and say 10 minutes.
Yes! Oh my goody gosh! So Syracuse just.
Oh, guys, see you in a little bit when I'm gonna get shot.
I'm dead.
So, because Tom lost, I'm gonna shoot him in the butt.
Right, let's come on.
With this. As you can see, there are bullets in it. Can they see that?
Oh my god, no!
Yeah. Okay.
Alex is also recording his
You guys
face.
give me a countdown. Right. I'm not doing it. See you with Ben's go.
Wait.
Yeah, it's Benson.
Yeah, Ben's getting shot.
No, it's just you're getting shot. Yeah, you're getting shot. Get rid of it. I'm doing mine at the end of your two. Stop it. Yes. Oh my. 5, 4, 4,
Have you started it?
3, yeah, 2, 1.